students, for today's video, I will share to you the importance of the subject understanding the self to everyone's future career. The importance of this core subject towards my future career is to be able to obtain knowledge and adapt it to ourselves that can be enhanced or improve ourselves. From the words understanding the self, it has a deep conception and meaning. Once you be able to adapt this core subject, it means it won't be too difficult for you to reach your goal towards your future career. Furthermore, as we grow older, sometimes we forget who we are due to distraction, depression, mental health, and emotional problems. Because of that, you didn't notice you're just making yourself down, pity, and thinking of losing something you don't really know the importance of it in your life. The importance of this core subject is vital because you will realize the most important you should care of is ourselves. We shouldn't forget ourselves, we must value ourselves. Understanding the self could be very beneficial. For the word itself, understanding, this subject will help every individual on preparing their future. This subject will help you to make a great decision on dealing with your dreams and aspirations. For an individual like me, it would really be a big help to the career that I should take or get in. Our future career would be a big step to move on to a better way of living. That's why understanding things first could make it more helpful to pursue things on our own way.
スパイ、ミッション